Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My dearest student for 5th primary stage, welcome to our mathematical program education today. Our title today with 5th primary is Area. Area for branch geometry. Area for branch geometry. We start with area of the square. Area of the square, we know that the square all sides are equal in length. Then area of the square equal, the square is a parallelogram, base times height. But here the base is side and the height is side. Then area of the square equal side times side. In this square, the side length equal 4 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Area of this square, side length times side length. 4 times 4. Sides are equal in a length. 4 times 4, 16 centimeter square. We have another method. We divide the square into small square. The side length of each 1 centimeter. Then the area of each small square, 1 centimeter square. Area of a square is the number of a small square that the big square contains. That the big square contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Area of a square, two methods. First method, side times side, 4 times 4, 16. Second method, the number of units area, or area units. The number of units area, the number of a small square that its side length equal 1 centimeter, that the big square contains. Example, find the area of the square, which side length is 6 centimeter. Miss Umayma, area of square, side length 6 centimeter. Area of square, side times side. Side times side. Side here equal, length side here equal 6. Area of square, 6 times 6. 6 times 6 equals 36 centimeter square. 6 times 6, 36 centimeter square. Next. Find the side length of the square, which area equal 25. Please here, in the board, here. If we have a side length equal 5 centimeter, then area equal 5 times 5 equal 25 centimeter square. Conversely, we want to convert this rule. If we have area square equal 25, how I can find the side length? The side length I can find it by this rule. Length, area. I experiment. If length 1, area 1. 1 times 1, 1. If length 2, area 4. If length 3, area equal 9. 3 times 3. If length equal 4, area equals 16. Is this area 16? No. If length 5, area equal 25. 25 is the area of our required square. Then its side length equal 5 centimeter. Side length equal 5 centimeter. I make another example here. Mr. Muntasir will answer with me. If the area square equal 9 centimeter, find side length by this method, please. By this method, please. Mr. Muntasir.
Yes.
By this method, please.
Yes.
Length, area. Experiment. Length,
9.
length,
1.
1.
1. Yes.
1 times 1, area, 1. Length,
2.
2.
4.
Excellent, Mister.
9.
Is the 9 is our
Yes.
side length with
Yes, of course.
يبقى side length equal 3 centimeter. Excellent, Mr. Muntasir.
Yes.
This is the converse of the rule. Next. Find the area of the square which perimeter is 24. Perimeter square equal length times 4. Why? Perimeter any shape. Perimeter of any shape equal summation of the outer sides or the length of the outer side. Length of the outer side or summation of the length of the outer sides. Length. Square length. Square length. Square length. Then perimeter of this square summation the outer side length 4 lengths.
No.
Then perimeter of a square 4 times side length. This is magic triangle. Magic triangle means I write the rule by magic triangle because I write the bigger up and the smaller down. If I want the bigger up, I will make multiply. If I want the smaller down, I will make big. I make time. Small, I make divide. For example, if I have a square, side length equal perimeter equal 9, 36. يبقى length equal
6.
then length equal no 6 perimeter. Length equal
9.
perimeter divided for
9.
9. Excellent, Mr. Muntasir.
Thank you.
Because perimeter equal length equal perimeter divided 4. Perimeter divided 4. يبقى length equal
9.
by magic triangle. Perimeter up, length time 4 down. If I require down, I will make divided. Length equal perimeter divided 4. Perimeter divided 4. Here I have perimeter equal 36. Then length equal 36 divided 4 equal 9 centimeter. In this example, find the area of the square, which perimeter 24. Here, he gives me a perimeter. If I have a perimeter, I will find side length. I will find side length. Side length equal perimeter divided 4. Side length equal perimeter divided 4. Perimeter divided 4. Side length equal perimeter divided 4. Perimeter here equal 24. Side length equal 24 divided 4 equal 6 centimeter. But he required area. I find side length and I have a rule area of the square side times side. Then area square 6 times 6 equal 36 centimeter square. I can't find area from perimeter directly, but firstly I find side length, perimeter divided 4, then area rule equal side times side. Next. Example, find the perimeter of the square which area equal 81 centimeter square. Oh, perimeter of square, I have the number of the area in the given. In square, I want side length. In square, I want side length. If he give me a perimeter, I divide perimeter divide 4 to find side lengths. To find side lengths, perimeter divided 4. If we have an area equal 81. If we have an area, length area, I experiment to have area equal 81, then length equal 1. 1 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 3, 3 times 3, 4, 4 times 4, 16. But we have 81. 5, 25, 6, 36, 7, 49, 8, 64, 9, 81. Then length equal 9 centimeter. But he want the perimeter. Then perimeter of the square equal side times 4. I have a side 9. 9 times 4 equals 36 centimeter. Centimeter only, square. Centimeter only. Next. Lesson 4. Next. Area of triangle. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. The rectangle have 2 dimensions, length and width. The rectangle have 2 dimensions, length and width. The rectangle is a parallelogram, special case of parallelogram. Area parallelogram, base times height. But here base is length and the height is width. Here base is length, height is width. Then area of rectangle, length times width. I can make a test in the magic triangle for Mr. Muntasir, Mr. Mahmoud. Area rectangle. Area is the bigger. Equal length times width. Length width smaller than area. If I want the area, I must multiply because area is the bigger. Multiply length times width. If I want the length, yes. Multiply or divided? Length small or big?
Small.
Small. Small divided.
Yes.
Down small. Up bigger. If I want up area, length times width time is bigger. Yes. If I want length or width, I divide. Area divided. Yes. If I want length, area divided.
Area divided width.
Width, excellent, excellent. Length equal area divided width. Miss Iman, if I want width, length, Miss Iman, length equal area divided width. Length. If I want the length, area divided width. If I want width,
area divided length.
Excellent, excellent. area divided length.
ما بحبش بس
excellent Miss إيمان. هنسقف في الآخر لكم كلكم. النكست. Area of rectangle length time width. This is the magic triangle that we explained here. Length equal area divided width. Width equal area divided length. Next. If the area of find the area of a rectangle in which length 2 dimensions. Mr. You say that area equal length time width. I can't say length, see length or width. The 2 dimensions means length and width. What is the length and what's width? Any number length and the other is width. Then area of rectangle length time width or product of 2 dimensions. Multiply of 2 dimensions. Length and width are called 2 dimensions. Then area of rectangle length times width. The length 8, the width 6 equal 48 centimeter square. Example number 2. Find the length of the rectangle, which is the area 50 centimeter square and width equal 5. Here he wants length. Length equal area divided width. Area divided width. Area here equal 50 centimeter square and width 5. Then length equal 50 divided 5. Length equal 10 centimeter. A room in a rectangle shape. Room in the shape of rectangle. Its length 5 and its width 4. If a rectangular carpet, the unconfirmed part, area of land of the room, area of the part which is not covered. Rectangular carpet of dimension 3 and 2. Area of land room. The land room have two dimensions, 5 and 4. Then area of land of the room equal length times width. Length land of the room 5 and width 4. 5 times 4, 20 centimeter. Is here. This is the land. And this is the carpet. Carpet means
together.
yes. This is the land and this is the carpet. I wanted to find the area of the space between the carpet and the land. Area of the space equal area outer minus area inner. Area outer, area of the land, 5 times 4, 20. Area inner, area of the carpet. The carpet has 2 and 3. 2 centimeter, 2 meter and 3 meter. 2 times 3 equals 6 meter square. Area of the carpet 6 meter square. 2 times 3.
Yes.
Do you have any question?
No. 2 feet 3.
2 times.
2 times.
No fee.
No.
Don't speak again. Please speak with me only.
Yes.
Speak with me only. Keep silent.
بتسوي بغلط.
Yes. Keep silent, please. Next, please.
أغيبك.
Find the area of the red part. Red part. Area outer. Area of the outer minus area of the inner. I want to explain this in the board.
طلعت برا ورا.
Keep silent, please.
أيوة.
Here we have two regions, inner region and outer region. The inner region have 2 dimensions, 7 centimeter and 10 centimeter. The outer region is a square, 5 and 5. I wanted to find the area of shaded part, red part. Area of red part, I will find area of outer rectangle, area of inner square, and make minus. Area of shaded part or the space, area outer minus area inner. Area outer, the outer is a rectangle. Area rectangle equal length times width. يبقى أول firstly area الريكتانجل or outer shape. Area rectangle or outer shape equal length times width equal 7 times 10 equal 70 centimeter square. Area inner. The inner is a square. Area is square. 5 times length times length. Area square 25. Excellent, Miss Umayma. Equal length times length equal 5 times 5 equal 25 centimeter square. Area of shaded part or red part. Area of shaded part or red part equal area outer shape rectangle minus area inner shape square. area outer shape 70 minus area inner shape 25 equal 45 centimeter square. Next, please. Italy, our math staff, Mr. Muhammad Ali, and future 15 model experimental school, tell you wishing good luck, goodbye.
Thank you.